Think your research is objective? Think again. Bias can creep in from more sides than you know and ruin your results. Okay, but what is bias? It is any systematic error that can distort the relationship between any two variables in your study. It can affect validity, generalizability, and it can lead to the rejection of your paper. So here are five kind of biases that you must know about and something you can do to avoid them. First one is selection bias, where the people that you've selected in your study do not ideally represent the study population. You can avoid it by using random sampling. Second type of bias is called recall bias, where participants are not able to recall or remember data. It's best to use hospital records or medical records to avoid this. Third kind is known as observer's bias or researcher's bias, where the researcher's expectations sort of influence on how the outcomes of the study are reported or interpreted. You can avoid this by blinding. Fourth is publication bias, where only positive or significant findings are reported and published. One way to avoid this is by registering your studies and publishing data regardless of whether it was significant or not. Last one is known as confirmation bias, where you only find literature or studies which support your hypothesis or your findings. The only way to avoid this is by staying open to all kind of findings and by exploring more into the literature. Next time you're doing your studies, stay conscious and cautious of these five kind of biases that can distort your findings. I hope it helps.